Sauté onions, garlic, mushrooms, carrots, celery, cabbage, and season with salt and black pepper. Add broccoli and green beans, then add shrimp and soy sauce. Set aside when the shrimp are cooked. Use your favorite veggies. I used what I have on hand. In the same pan, add oil and cook the pork if using. Season with salt, black pepper, granulated onions and garlic. Cook until the pork is slightly browned and add soy sauce. Cook for a few minutes and set aside. In the same pan, add broth or water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, better than bouillon or bouillon cubes, and more black pepper. Cover and bring it to a boil. Then add the noodles. Mix until the noodles are cooked and the broth or water is absorbed but not dry. Then put the cooked veggies with shrimp, pork, green onions in the pan and drizzle with a little bit of sesame oil. Mix thoroughly and enjoy. Thank you for watching.